do surrender to the love that will heal me, to the love that will heal you. And it's a time about just getting quiet. It's a time just to slow everything down. And just imagine for a moment that you are literally being held by the hands of God. Maybe take a deep breath in. Just let that go. Let's do that one more time. Take a deep breath in. And just let it go. Let go of all the stress. Let go of all the worry. Let go of all the control. And now you can remain like a small child who knows no fear, who knows no stress. Become like a child, as we're told. Because when we let go of the fear and we let go of the control and we let go of the stress, in our hearts is joy. In our hearts is innocence. In our hearts is laughter. Feel this. Don't worry about what it looks like for you or what it feels like for you. Just know that you are welcomed in this space. For those of you that can imagine this white light coming down and filling this space, starting off with it coming inside of you, just filling you up, and your whole body is surrounded by this light. And then the light expands and fills this entire room. And just feel that light. And then just imagine that light's expanding out into this community, out across the land, across the oceans, across this world. And just know that we're connecting with everybody else at this time who's sending love. And this is a force. In this moment, we are part of a force of love that is beautiful. It is peaceful. It is calm. And yet it is powerful. And just imagine the people that are needing this love, receiving it. And these situations that are going on in the world, see it going in those places, in every nook and cranny. And we're sharing our light and our love. And then we're even going to take it one step farther and just go ahead and send it out into the universe, so that everybody that can see knows and can feel and sense this love. Oh yes, way beyond the galaxies and the multiverses and the universes, this light can be seen and felt throughout. And so just feel that for a moment. And then start the journey of coming back. Back to this planet. Back to this place. Back to your chair. Into your body.